Most people don't realize their email is permanently tied to their social accounts, and that can become a problem later. The surprising truth about X, formerly Twitter, is that unlinking your email is possible, but only if you do it correctly. First, log into your X account using a browser or the mobile app. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on your account information. You may be asked to enter your password again for security. Once inside, find the section labeled Email. Here you'll see the current email linked to your account. You cannot remove it completely without replacing it with another email or phone number. X requires at least one contact method for account recovery. Most people get this wrong by trying to delete the email directly. Instead, you must add a new email first, enter a different email address, and verify it through the confirmation code sent to your inbox. After the new email is verified, return to the email section and remove the old one. Save changes, and your original email will be fully unlinked. If you want to use only a phone number, you can add your number first, verify it, then remove all email addresses. This works, but it's riskier if you ever lose access to your phone. Another important step is checking connected apps. Go to Security and Account Access, then Apps and Sessions. Remove any third-party services that still have access to your old email. In conclusion, unlinking your email from X is simple, but must be done carefully. Always replace it with another contact method to avoid losing access. This small change can improve privacy and security instantly. Subscribe for more quick tech guides that save you from digital mistakes.